Welcome to EatzAndTravelz. This video we are trying out Milo's teas. Again, comment below if you ever had Milo. So for today we are going to be trying Milo's variety of teas. This one is the famous sweet tea. Me and Damon. This one is the famous sweet tea. This one is the extra sweet tea. Milo's extra sweet tea. And this one is Milo's lemonade. So we'll be trying Milo's variety. This one is lemonade. All right. So first up is Milo's sweet tea. Damon is over here. We're eating dinner. So this one is Milo sweet tea, Milo sweet tea. We're going to see how it goes. This is a review of the Milo sweet tea, the famous sweet tea. Cheers, guys. All right. It's not no Southern Georgia sweet tea. To me, I like my tea with sugar. So we're going to try the other two.
Yeah, this one, this wasn't it. This wasn't it. Probably, I'd say about a 5 out of 10.
I'll probably give it a 5. Yeah.
Yeah, it's missing.
It's missing something. This is the Milo sweet tea, famous sweet tea. 5 out of 10. Probably won't buy this again. So again, this is Milo's famous sweet tea. Next up on the roster is the Milo's lemonade. Next up on the roster is Milo's famous family-made lemonade. And this is a women-owned business. So we're going to shake it well. It says shake it well. All right, cheers, guys. Damon is in the camera. Cheers. Milo's lemonade. This needs to be sweet. All right, we're reviewing Milo's lemonade. Damon's going to tell you his review.
So is it better than the sweet tea? Yes. Does it it's sweet, but not as sweet. It needs to, of course we're from down south, so it needs to have more sweetness to it. Definitely more sugar. It's kind of like the taste it gives you, like kind of like that in the middle kind of taste.
Yeah.
That's why I'm giving like I'm gonna give this one a 4.5.
I'm gonna give it a 5. All right, so we are back. This one is Milo's extra sweet tea. This is the Milo's extra sweet tea. Cheers, guys. Let's see. I don't want to make a mess. Milo's extra sweet tea. So this is Milo's extra sweet tea. All right. Damon's going to give his review first.
Is it better than the first two? Yes, very much so. I would. It does have the sweetness. It does have the consistency. It's I would say it's probably just right, sugar wise. So I'll give this one at least a 7 out of 10.
I would say, again, we're reviewing the Milo extra sweet tea. I would probably give it a 7 because I need more sugar. Again, this has been our review of the Milo's teas and lemonade. Cheers. All right, so again, we reviewed Milo's tea, extra sweet tea, the Milo's lemonade, and the Milo's famous sweet tea. Overall, we probably would give it, wouldn't buy them again. Probably a 6. Yeah, I'm going to end up, the mom was like, take this to work. Yeah, I end up mixing the tea with the lemonade. And then tomorrow, when I get to work, I'm going to add some sugar. Again, be sure to like, comment, share. What should we try next? Don't forget to like, share, comment. What should we try next?